Are you planning to visit your family in Bahrain? The Bahrain Family e-visa allows eligible travelers to visit their relatives and stay with them legally for a short period. This visa is available for applicants from countries that qualify under Bahrain's e-visa program. There are different visa options available. A single-entry family e-visa allows a stay of up to 14 days. Multiple entry options are also available, including 30-day stays, 90-day stays, and one-year validity visas, depending on the option selected. To apply for the Bahrain Family e-visa, you need a passport valid for at least 6 months, proof of accommodation such as a hotel booking or the host's Bahrain ID, and a confirmed return or onward travel ticket. The application process is fully online. You simply complete the application form, upload the required documents, and make the visa fee payment using a debit or credit card. Once approved, your Bahrain Family e-visa is sent directly to your email address. No embassy visit is required. Processing normally takes 6 to 8 working days, with faster options available for an extra fee. Please remember, the Family e-visa does not permit employment in Bahrain. For work purposes, a separate work visa is required.